The world of camping has never been more advanced, and if you don't believe us, stick around to enjoy all these smart camping solutions and gear. Let's start by introducing you to the Genesis Base Camp system, which represents the pinnacle of expedition cooking systems, offering a comprehensive solution that perfectly adapts to your needs in the wilderness. Meticulously designed to maximize efficiency and convenience, this system packs neatly into itself, taking up minimal space in your gear and ensuring it's always ready to go. What sets the Genesis Base Camp system apart is its unmatched versatility. With its dual burner design, the Jetboil stove can operate independently or be combined with other JetLink compatible stoves or a Luna satellite burner, giving you the flexibility to create a true outdoor kitchen. Whether you're preparing a full meal or just heating up water for a hot drink, this system is designed to meet your outdoor cooking needs. At the heart of this system is Jetboil's 5-liter FlexPot and 10-inch ceramic nonstick pan, which provide generous capacity and a reliable cooking surface. With a 10,000 BTU heating system, you can boil water in just over 3 minutes, ideal for melting snow on winter expeditions or enjoying a hot cup of coffee on a chilly outdoor morning. And that's not all, because if you like that, the next one takes it to the next level. Cower is much more than a simple portable power source. It's a reliable companion for your boldest adventures and moments of need. Its innovative design and ease of use make it the ideal choice for any emergency situation or for those looking to explore remote locations. With the ability to seamlessly change gas cartridges and ignite with ease, Cower gives you the peace of mind that you'll always have power when you need it. Its resistance to extreme weather conditions and high altitudes ensures that you can rely on it in the most challenging environments, whether you're on a mountaineering expedition or camping in the wilderness. In addition to its reliability in emergency situations, Cower also offers a versatile solution for keeping your electronic devices charged and connected at all times. Its lightweight and compact design, combined with multiple charging ports, allows you to be prepared for any eventuality while venturing into new territories. Whether you're hiking mountain trails, camping under the stars, or facing an emergency, the Cower P1 is ready to be your reliable power source. I thought that was impressive. This next product takes comfort to a whole new level and will have your head in the clouds. The ZenBivy Light Pillow is a small luxury for those who want maximum comfort on their outdoor adventures. Weighing just 2.5 ounces, it's barely noticeable in your pack, but once inflated, it provides soft, comfortable support for your head throughout the night. Its compact design makes it easy to pack into any available space, and it measures only 3 by 3 by 1 inch when stowed. The pillow's 300T punchy polyester cover material is soft to the touch and breathable, providing a cool and comfortable feel while resting. The polyurethane PU bladder makes this pillow lightweight and easy to inflate. With just a few breaths, you can adjust the firmness level to your preferred preference, and its generous inflated size, 15 by 10 by 4 inches, provides ample head and neck support for even the most demanding sleepers. Whether you're camping in the mountains, hiking remote trails, or just enjoying a picnic in the park, the ZenBivy Light Pillow adds a touch of home comfort wherever you go. Neck comfort is important, but so is the comfort of the rest of your body. And sometimes transporting hammocks and the like can be impossible. Until now, with the Hammock Hold-All, a product that's out of this world. The Hammock Hold-All is designed to be a durable and reliable piece that will accompany you on all of your outdoor adventures. Made from the same 70D nylon used in these hammocks, it ensures long-lasting strength and durability. Despite its ruggedness, it weighs only 1.4 ounces, 40 grams, making it a lightweight and virtually unnoticeable accessory in your pack. Installation is quick and easy. Simply thread your ridgeline through the channel at the top of a hammock hold-all and reconnect it to your hammock suspension. This ingenious design allows you to leave the hammock hold-all permanently attached to your hammock if you prefer, providing a practical and convenient storage solution. In addition to keeping your hammock organized and ready for use, the hammock hold-all comes with an additional storage sack that you can use to store small items. With 9 pockets, you have plenty of room to keep your essentials organized and accessible. The versatility of the hammock hold-all is further highlighted by its ability to easily move along the ridgeline, allowing you to adjust its position according to your needs. It's pretty amazing, right? Well, this next invention will amaze you just as much, because the BioLite Fire Pit is something you won't believe exists. Time to meet the Name Time's best invention of 2023. The BioLite Fire Pit Plus gives you the unparalleled experience of a wood-burning fire pit without the annoying smoke that usually accompanies it. With its innovative design, you can enjoy the comforting warmth, natural aroma, distinctive sound of burning wood, and unique feeling of being around a campfire, all without the smoke that can drive you away. Patented by BioLite, this unit uses special combustion technology to create mesmerizing and authentic flames, while its X-ray mesh body gives you a complete and unobstructed view of the fire. What's more, its compact design and folding legs make the Fire Pit Plus highly portable, allowing you to bring the campfire experience wherever you go, whether it's on your outdoor adventures, camping trips, or even in your own backyard. One of the most notable features of the Fire Pit Plus is its 12,800 mAh rechargeable USB power supply, which powers the fire fan for up to 30 hours of continuous operation. This fan, along with the 51 strategically placed air jets, injects oxygen into the fire to improve combustion, creating a more even temperature and a more efficient gas mix. And we're just getting started, because the next invention is on a whole other level. The Bug Beater 2.0 is not just a chair, it's your refuge from the onslaught of insects. Imagine this scenario. You're in the heart of nature, surrounded by the beauty of the outdoors, but the buzzing of mosquitoes and other insects threatens to ruin your peace and comfort. Enter the Bug Beater 2.0, your trusty companion that turns every outdoor moment into a worry-free experience. With its innovative design, the Bug Beater 2.0 offers complete and guaranteed protection from all flying insects. From the mosquito netting that extends from the top to the ground to the sturdy structure that acts as an impenetrable shield, you can be 100% sure that you'll be safe from any bites or annoyances. What makes the Bug Beater 2.0 truly unique is its focus on comfort and convenience. Forget the greasy, smelly repellents that stain your skin. With this innovative chair, you don't have to worry about irritating repellents or mosquito coils that barely dent the insect population. You'll no longer have to retreat to your car or home during peak insect hours. We're talking about an invention in the world of lighters that has never been seen before, and with all that it brings, you won't believe it. The Lumi X Power is a revolution in the world of lighters. Not only is it the first USB rechargeable plasma lighter, but it also offers exceptional versatility by functioning as an LED flashlight and a backup power source. This innovative multifunctional tool is built to withstand any challenge and is resistant to water, dirt, dust, and impact, making it the ideal companion for outdoor adventures, travel, and everyday use. One of the outstanding features of the Lumi X Power is its easy recharging. Equipped with a USB-C port and an included USB cable, charging this lighter is quick and easy. You no longer have to worry about finding lighter fuel or the environmental impact of disposable products. This lighter uses electricity, which means you can charge it with the same charger you use for your phone, computer, or power bank. In addition to its primary function as a lighter, the Lumi X Power also doubles as an LED flashlight, providing a bright and reliable light source in any situation. Whether you're searching for something in the dark or need to light your way on a camping night, this LED flashlight provides visibility and safety. And that's just the beginning, because what comes next is a true revolution, an idea that breaks all the mold. Finally, the Kakadu Outback Shower is not only a practical solution for staying clean and fresh while exploring nature, it also provides a comfortable and relaxing shower experience. Its compact and portable design allows you to take it anywhere you need to freshen up, whether it be a remote campsite, hiking trip, or weekend getaway. Thanks to its built-in lithium battery and efficient pump, you can enjoy up to 2 hours of hot showers on a single charge, giving you the freedom to shower without worrying about running out of power. In addition, the automatic ignition system makes it very easy to use, even for those unfamiliar with camping equipment. The versatility of the Kakadu Outback Shower makes it an essential accessory for any outdoor adventure. Whether you're camping in the woods, climbing mountains, or just enjoying a day at the beach, this shower gives you the convenience of a hot shower anytime, anywhere. Its ergonomic design and durable construction ensure reliable performance under the most demanding conditions.